Hi, this is Jamie from Shanti Kai, and I am here in San Francisco. I'm not sure if you can see. I've been here in San Francisco showing our products, and one of the questions that I have frequently got is, where do we get started? How do we know which products to start with? What I would say is to look at our starter kit. Okay, our starter kit has 5 essential products. The first 2 products, which is the Clear My Space and the Guardian Angel, which is the cleansing and protecting. So you want to make sure that nothing enters your field that is unwanted. That's the first thing, right? Is energy maintenance, and then clearing out unwanted energy. So the first product in the starter kit is our Clear My Space. So that is for clearing your energy field. So it's got a synergy of flowers and minerals which help to cleanse and clear the aura. It can also be used as a room spray. I would say it's one of our must-have essences. So negative energy is a big thing. You take a shower to clean your skin, you wash your hair, you meditate to clear your mind, or you go and exercise to clear your body. You do all these practices for different parts of you, but to clear your energy field is also a thing, okay? And so working with our Clear My Space, it's our #1 best-selling spray, is what I would recommend. You know, I call it the Lysol of our essences, right? So you want to go in and just clear out what's there before you apply anything. The second thing in our starter kit is our Guardian Angel. So it's like an energy seal. It's for protection. We also call it our Archangel Michael spray. Okay, so it is for helping to seal and shield your energy field from unwanted or lower frequencies. Okay, the next 2 would be Healer Within and Immunes, which is what I think of as our yin and yang of stress defense. So the Immunes is a little more fiery, okay, and it's more protective. And I would say you want to use to help shield from lower frequency energies or energetic parasites, if you will. And also say to work with it, you know, before cold and flu season, before travel, and during, before and during, but really amping it up before. And then the Healer Within is more yin, right? It's a little softer. It's what you work with during a stress response, okay? It's more for soothing day-to-day stress. The last one, of course, is our Take Me Away essence, which is for easing stress and enhancing rest. And this one replaced our Sweet Dreams essence. So it is an essence that can be worked with for sleep, but it's more about relaxation, okay? It's more about letting go of the day-to-day stressors and creating an atmosphere for rest and just helping energy to relax and unwind and to prepare to sleep, so that your sleep is whole and replenishing, and that your rest or your meditations are more soothing and regenerative. So it would be a really great place to start. And if you have any questions, we'll put more information in the links below. Thank you very much.